Here we are with a bobcat fighting a rattlesnake in our front yard for a little dinner. Filming.
Smoothie, what's in there? Oh,
Smoothie.
Look at his little head. He's oh.
You did not expect that.
Meat.
Look at him.
Look at his tail.
Smoothie's so scared, yeah.
What the hell? What is that, Mom?
What?
Ma, you see this?
No. Holy shit.
What
What
is-
the hell is that?
What is happening? You guys see this?
Oh shit! Hey man, don't bite my knee.
Hey, hang in there. Gotta get you to safety. Going home, bud. But we can't just put him here. We gotta put him in the rocks. Ah! Breathe. Or whatever it is you do. Look, it's home. Are you free? You're free. I don't know if he's gonna make it. You're home now.
Look at you back. You bring Mom and Pop with you? How cool. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Come here, chick. I'm being nice to him.
So this baby squirrel just jumped on me and I don't know what to do. Please someone send help. Oh my god. What's going on here?
Do you like a banana?
Living the dream, guys.
So I got this big box from Amazon. Cat's over here. Let's see how long before it takes them to make this his new house. Yep.
Weave, 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 weave. Yay, weave. Yeah.
They can't probably climb a tree.
Oh my god. Ah.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands.
Challenger, the Bald Eagle, and Connor with the American Eagle Foundation here with you today. We're going to be debunking a bald eagle myth, part 1. All right, so you guys know that internet viral video where that eagle swooping down and picking up that kid? Yeah, that's fake. That's false. That is CGI. So Challenger here is only about 7 pounds. So he can only pick up about half of his body weight max. And bald eagles, they love fish. It would be very rare for a bald eagle, or any eagle really, to go after your dog, your cat, and they're not going to go after your kid. No. So if you guys want to know what it feels like to hold a bald eagle, grab yourself a gallon of milk, use your non-dominant hand, most likely your left hand, and hold it there out like so for 20 minutes. Duet this and let me know how it went.
Holy crap, Ash.
But as soon as it ended, another one, and then another one, and pretty quickly I was like, okay, something didn't happen. This is not normal. And yeah, just tracked it down.
It's so cute.
Did you not?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
No.
Stop, boy. Not my eyes. Sure, they're my eyes.
So just all kinds of people saying, "What's up, Ethan?"
Wait a minute.
There you go.
16 countries historically had lions where they overlapped with tigers. So tigers have been a thing that's been around for thousands of years. Then when they rebred backwards with the tigers and the lions, those animals took on the genetic representation of the liger and would take the advantages of those genetics, and those have carried on into the modern tigers and lions that we deal with today.
Man, I'm telling you guys, Cody has literally been raised with these amazing animals. Guys, you always see me with crazy animals. This time I'm with a crazier animal in some ways, huh? This is a sloth. His name is Chewy. He's really cool. But the weird part is it takes him almost, how many days?
26.
26 days to digest his food. But look at this. Look at this. That's Mama. Anyway, what do you guys think? Is that cute? Hit that little heart down there and share it with a friend.
Oh my god, that's such a beautiful bird. Bro, can I buy it? Oh my god, I'll give you 100. Okay, thank you, bro. Oh my god, guys, look at my bird. I'll name her Bob.
I'm a big kid now.
Move it, go ahead, hit your